This video will demonstrate how to change a single O-ring seal on an Ampco model pump ZP1. We're going to start first by looking at the tools required. I have some glass cleaner and a cloth, some assembly lubricant for the elastomers, O-ring removal tool, 3/16 Allen wrench, a rotor nut removal tool, and a mallet. We're going to start by removing the cover nuts, and then the cover. Kind of work this back and forth. Remove the cover O-ring and discard it. Next, we're going to come in with our rotor removal tool. We're going to capture the first lock nut. Whack. Same on the bottom. And then the second nut. Take the rotors out, set them aside. Take our 3/16 Allen wrench. And we're going to remove the rotor case retaining bolts. Take our mallet and gently tap off the rotor case. The O-ring seal. The O-ring is located in the body here. Discard that. Second one. Come over here, we're going to pull off the shaft sleeve. Both shaft sleeves. And we're going to remove and discard this O-ring. And the bottom one. We're done. We're going to start by taking our shaft O-ring, putting a little lubrication on it, and putting it into the first groove there. Same thing with the second one, a little lubrication. O-ring onto the first groove. And we're going to take our sleeve, and there are notches here on both ends. It's reversible. We want that notch to line up with that pin there. Okay. On the second shaft, the pin is at the 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock position. Same thing, we want to get that notch lined up. Then we're going to lubricate this O-ring. Place it in the groove in the body. Second O-ring. I'm going to come in and lubricate the idea of that O-ring. The body will now get loaded on the gear body. There is a large dowel and a small dowel, which corresponds to the dowel pin holes here. Take a little bit of effort to overcome that O-ring. Just gonna tap it on. Then we're going to use the retaining bolts to draw it back. 3/16 Allen wrench. And we're going to tighten them in succession, back and forth. There is not a torque value, you just get them tight. All they do is retain the body to the gear body. Next, we're going to put the rotors in. There's a blank spline here that corresponds to the blank spline there. Same with the lower. Little bit, we at the 9 or 3 o'clock position. Install our rotor nuts. Take a wrench, and we're going to give it a good whack. And we add the locking nut. And do the same thing. And then we add our cover nuts. We're going to go through and kind of snug them up and give them a final tighten with the mallet. We're going to go crisscross